What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Fabe here, back with yet another one, and today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to ice up a pair of Watch to Throw LeBron 11 PEs using that good old Fabes Sole Sauce. Now, as I mentioned, these are a PE, first surfaced back in 2015, and for those of you who don't know, that means player exclusive, meaning they were specifically given to a Nike athlete for them to use on the court, and most of the time are one-of-one unique shoe. So, naturally, they find their way in the buyer's market for regular people to get their hands on them, but at the expense of paying a few grand for a single pair. And a good buddy of mine was fortunate enough to get his hands on a pair, but he needed the soles to be iced up a little bit using that good old Fabes Sole Sauce. Now, these aren't that bad, so it should just take about one session or two. Now, the first thing we want to do is take our Fabes Sole Sauce and apply it to the affected area only. Now, these LeBron 11s were a bit more annoying to do than I anticipated due to the soles having these little pockets and grooves. I'm guessing for added traction on the court, but for this restoration, they're just annoying. These little pockets, they just hold up, pockets of sauce there. So what I did was I just gave the soles a couple extra brush strokes to try to even out the sauce as best as possible. Now, as you make your way towards the heels, you'll also want to avoid that carbon plate in the middle of the sole there. It's not yellow, therefore it doesn't require us to use any product on it, so just focus on the rubber portion and you'll be good to go. Now, once you coated your soles with some salsa there, you want to cover them with a clear wrap. Now, as you can see, I like to use two pieces and have them meet in the middle to give them a nice tight seal to keep the sauce nice and moist on the soles to allow for longer, more effective sessions. After that, simply place your soles under sunlight or UV light if you have one. If you do have a UV light, it allows you to extend your sessions up to 48 hours straight in a single session, allowing for maximum effectiveness in the shortest amount of time using minimal amount of product. After your session is over, simply remove the clear wrap, wash off the remaining dried up sauce with some soap, water, a little elbow grease, and compare your results. And these are the results after just one session at 48 hours in that single session. Now, as I stated before, these weren't that bad from the start, so it really didn't take but just that one session to bring them back to factory, icy, fresh conditions. Go ahead, just take a deep, long look. Look like they just came out in 2015. Fresh, icy. All courtesy of that Fabes Sole Sauce. You can purchase a bottle of Fabes Sole Sauce at www.fabesole.com. Product link is also in the description. And if this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, for I have plenty more videos to come, as well as other giveaway announcements. You'll want to stay tuned for that. And just a little extra added proof for the doubters there who always scream it's a new shoe or it's a whatever shoe they can think of. Here's the PE sample tag on the inside of both. Here you go. I'm trying to get a good look there. You can zoom in, you can pause, rewind, do what you need to do. There's the right shoe, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you the left shoe here, which is the icy shoe. As you can see, sample tag, promo sample. There you go. There you have it.